What keeps a busy workshop from turning unsafe? A structured workshop safety checklist helps you spot hazards, maintain safe conditions, and prevent accidents while supporting productivity. This walkthrough explains what the checklist covers, why inspections matter, the common hazards to watch for, and how eAuditor supports the process. A workshop safety checklist is a structured inspection tool for reviewing safety conditions, equipment, and work practices in a workshop. Regular inspections improve awareness, reduce risks, and support compliance. They also help teams identify hazards early, prevent injuries, and strengthen communication between workers and supervisors for faster risk response. The checklist starts with housekeeping and cleanliness. Clean floors, proper waste disposal, and organized storage help reduce slips and trips. It also covers machinery and equipment, including guards, emergency stops, and maintenance. Electrical safety is another core area, with checks on cords, plugs, wiring, and grounding for damage or faults. Fire and emergency preparation is another essential section. You verify that extinguishers are accessible, exits are clear, and first aid kits are fully stocked. The checklist also covers personal protective equipment and chemical storage, including safety glasses, gloves, footwear, labeling, and secure storage, documentation and reporting record hazards, corrective actions, inspection dates, and signatures for compliance. The top hazards listed here are slippery floors, faulty equipment, electrical risks, poor ventilation, and improper chemical storage. Routine inspections help identify these issues before incidents occur. Finding them through structured inspections improves workplace safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. Paper checklists can slow teams down, so eAuditor Audits and Inspections turns safety checks into a digital workflow. It offers ready-to-use templates, mobile inspections with real-time syncing, photo evidence capture, and automated reports with corrective action tracking. The result is less paperwork, better consistency, stronger compliance, faster reporting, and improved hazard tracking over time. A strong workshop safety checklist helps you inspect consistently, respond quickly, and document everything. By covering housekeeping, equipment, electrical systems, fire readiness, protective equipment, chemical storage, and reporting, you can stay ahead of common workshop hazards. Paired with eAuditor Audits and Inspections, that process becomes simpler, faster, and easier to track.